Story: The Jungle Challenge. Mowgli, the man-cub, had grown strong in the jungle, but today, Bagheera and Baloo had a challenge for him. To truly be part of the jungle, you must complete the trial of the wild, Bagheera said. Mowgli's first task was to outwit Kaa, the sly python. As Kaa slithered around a tall tree, his golden eyes swirled, trying to hypnotize Mowgli. But Mowgli used his quick reflexes to swing from a vine, escaping just in time. Next, he had to race past the thundering elephants without disturbing their herd. Mowgli tiptoed carefully, mimicking their deep, rhythmic steps. Hathi, the wise elephant, nodded in approval. Finally, Shere Khan, the mighty tiger, stood in Mowgli's path. "You think you belong here?" he growled. But Mowgli, using his cleverness, lit a torch from a hidden ember and held it high. Shere Khan, fearing fire, backed away. The jungle watched in silence as Baloo clapped his paws. "You've proven yourself, kiddo," he chuckled. Mowgli smiled. He wasn't just a visitor anymore. He was truly one with the jungle. Mowgli accepts the challenge. A young boy, Mowgli, with dark messy hair, wearing a simple red loincloth, stands confidently in a lush jungle clearing. Beside him, Bagheera, a sleek black panther with piercing yellow eyes, watches seriously. Baloo, a large friendly brown bear, grins and gestures excitedly. The jungle behind them is dense, with towering trees and warm sunlight filtering through. The air feels alive with chirping birds and rustling leaves. Mowgli, to truly be part of the jungle, you must complete the trial of the wild, Bagheera said sternly, while Baloo chuckled beside him. Mowgli faces Kaa. Mowgli grips a vine, mid-swing, above a massive ancient tree where Kaa, a long golden-brown python with hypnotic glowing yellow eyes, slithers around the trunk. Kaa's mouth is slightly open, revealing sharp fangs, as he tries to entrance Mowgli. The jungle is dark and misty, the scene illuminated by shafts of eerie blue moonlight filtering through thick leaves. Mowgli's first challenge was to outwit Kaa, the sly python. As Kaa's swirling eyes glowed, Mowgli swung swiftly from a vine, escaping just in time. Mowgli sneaks past the elephant herd. A row of enormous gray elephants, led by Hathi, a majestic, wrinkled elephant with large white tusks, marches through a shallow river. Mowgli, crouched low, carefully matches their steps, his small feet making gentle ripples in the water. Sunlight glows on the water's surface, and birds fly overhead. The jungle stretches endlessly, vibrant and full of life. Tiptoeing carefully, Mowgli mimicked the rhythmic steps of the great elephants, blending into their herd without disturbing them. Mowgli confronts Shere Khan, a massive Bengal tiger with sleek orange fur and black stripes, snarls menacingly in a shadowy jungle clearing. His golden eyes glow, and his sharp claws dig into the ground. Mowgli, standing tall, holds a burning torch high, its golden light reflecting off his determined face. The fire flickers, casting long shadows, while the jungle behind them is dark and tense. Fur and flames, intense. "You think you belong here?" Shere Khan growled. But Mowgli, using his cleverness, lifted a burning torch, and the mighty tiger hesitated. Mowgli is one with the jungle. Mowgli stands proudly on a rock, arms crossed, surrounded by his jungle family. Baloo clapping, Bagheera nodding approvingly, Hathi watching wisely, and other jungle animals cheering. The warm sun sets behind them, casting a golden glow over the lush green jungle. Birds fly in the sky, and fireflies begin to twinkle. The moment feels triumphant and full of belonging. Soft sunset lighting, vibrant jungle hues, joyful atmosphere. Baloo grinned. "You've proven yourself, kiddo." Mowgli smiled. How was truly one with the jungle.